Today, we will continue our trading journey by using our best scalping strategy with our best trading view indicator. As you know, markets are not easy to trade nowadays. Selecting right assets are quite important as well as trading rallies or crashes. If you are ready, let's do this. What you see here is the NASDAQ chart in 1 minute time frame. This yellow line represents the New York Open 9:30 a.m. This is the time that highest number of traders trade the charts in the world. It generally takes like 5 to 7 hours window to trade, a heaven for day traders. What I want to look at here is a very simple pattern that we love to use. Notice this SR Philip point, followed by inner liquidity sweep in the location of an inner imbalance. This is the point of scalping. Now notice this another SR Philip point, followed by inner liquidity sweeps 2 times in this case, in the location of an inner imbalance. This is another point of scalping, multiple points of scalping actually. And the same thing happening one more time. SR Philip point, followed by inner liquidity sweeps, in the location of an inner imbalance. Again, multiple points of scalping. So all these give you a micro scalping opportunity to trade. Quick trade chances like 10 to 20 point scalping. Now let me open the multi-time frame indicator on the right and see these SR Philip points, where it happens. Notice the first SR Philip point, a multi-imbalance point with 10 and 15 minute charts. What about the next? Again, a multi-imbalance point with 10 and 15 minute charts again. Look at the third SR Philip point from the 1 minute chart one more time. It is an imbalance point in the 10-minute time frames as well. So you see, Bitcoin, Ethereum, momentum coins, even NASDAQ. We do the same thing and following the very similar pattern that we always use. This is one of the most common patterns that I love to check out regardless of time frames or assets, looking for a possible SR Philip point, looking for a possible inner liquidity sweep, and looking for an inner imbalance. Extremely simple combo for my trades. And if this happens in the multi-time frame imbalance locations, it is even more amazing. You see, it is not that complicated actually. I want to look at the same chart with different perspective now. On the right, we have much higher hourly time frames now. Notice what happens here. First, in the 1 hour chart, you can clearly see this gigantic SR Philip location with the imbalance. And price holds in the area of imbalance. Look at the rejected candles and then rally starts. So what happens during the rally? Look at all the hourly candlesticks. High points of candles keep being taken out very strongly. Buyers keep pushing the price up and up, creating a momentum. So in the higher time frames, this is another way of confirming the rallies. In the higher time frames, you notice high point of candlesticks being taken out, one after another. This means that bulls are in the full control now. This is a bull party. While this is happening, in the lower time frames on the left, you seek cheap, discounted entry points, small pullbacks, possible inner liquidity sweep with SR Philip locations. If you just observe the price section in all market, it doesn't matter, coins, stocks, indices, futures, You will keep seeing the similar patterns keep happening every day. More you practice, the clearer it will be. Okay friends, another great lesson ends here. Please stay safe and sound. Be ready for the next video. If you have completed the free trading course and feel like you improved your trading skills, but you need more, an extra, a boost, and you want to move to the next level in your trading life, my masterclass is ready for you. You will learn liquidity, inefficiencies, and structure mastery deeply. We will look at forward and reverse trading with momentum super boxes. You will learn how to confirm your entries with magic alignment system. Finally, you will discover a strategy called YOYO Strategy, which will open new doors for you about taking and managing trades. If you are interested, you